Hey, I'm Fish. Today is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 8K 235/1 EV value on the negative 0.7 sharpness medium color. It's the standard, nothing special. And HDR, I'm not sure if it's on or off. So let's get going, see if my machine can handle it and YouTube can load it up in time. Today we're gonna be by the water, by the pier, by the beach, and get some shots. Panoramic shot, I'll just spin around nice and slow in 8K for you, so you get to see the beautiful sky, the background in 8K. So let's head on down to the ocean and get some shots in the inlet. We're here by the inlet, the ocean. As you can see, the waves coming in, very calm, breezy, slack tide going out. I'm using a Lenovo Yoga 7i with ARC graphics and Iris graphics, and I'm not sure how well it's going to perform on a recent machine from 2019. And I'm using Wondershare Filmora 14.6.2, the latest firmware, with 8K resolution, and probably going to be using the LRV files and preview render. Let it get in there and edit my video. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 in 8K 235/1. It should be a beautiful shot, a beautiful story to share in 8K. Not all videos will be 8K, but you get the idea. So what we're going to be doing is ending this review, getting off of 8K and getting on to 360x5. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much for taking the time to check it on out in 8K. Decide if the camera works for you. I'm going to go get my shots and have a great day, everybody. I'm Fish, and see you on the next one.